Outside a French courtroom, Dominique Pelicot is once again applauded by supporters. She's at the center of a mass rape trial that has challenged the limits of existing legislation in France, prompting calls for change. Her husband, Dominique Pelicot, has admitted to drugging her and recruiting dozens of men to rape her while she was unconscious. 50 men are facing trial alongside him. Dozens of them have denied the rape charges, saying Dominique tricked them into taking part, or that Giselle was pretending to be asleep. In court on Wednesday, Giselle said, quote, "I am determined that things change in this society." Thousands of protesters have taken to the streets as the trial has gone on.
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez dire? Non, mais c'est...
What do you want me to say?
Donc tu dormais?
No, I mean, so you're sleeping, I come and rob you of your entire life.
Mais non, c'est pas OK.
Then I say, oh, sorry, I thought it was okay. Well, no, it's not okay. If you're sleeping, you cannot give consent.
At issue is the legal definition of rape in France. The country's criminal law defines it as a penetrative act or oral sex act committed on someone using violence, coercion, threat, or surprise. It makes no clear mention of the need for a partner's consent. And multiple legal experts said prosecutors have to show an intent to rape to get a guilty verdict. One study published this year found only 14% of all rape complaints lead to a formal investigation in France. The country's new justice minister recently said he is in favor of updating the law, as has President Emmanuel Macron. It's a hotly debated issue in France, with some legal experts and activists saying consent puts scrutiny on the victim's behavior and words rather than the accused. France blocked the inclusion of a consent-based rape definition in a European directive in 2023. The same year, one of the country's main polling institutes found 9 out of 10 people wanted France to support the directive.
Face à ces conflits,
2 members of a cross-party working group made up of dozens of lawmakers say they are looking at the issue. Marie-Charlotte Garin is its vice president and an MP with the Greens.
Si nous avions déjà modifié la définition du viol dans le code pénal,
If we had already modified the definition of rape in the penal code, the defense of the accused could not give the statements that they are giving. They could not say, oh, if the person is asleep, I didn't know that it was an absence of consent. I wasn't aware I was raping.
Garin said she hoped the bill could be passed by the National Assembly as early as next March. Although any potential changes would not apply retroactively to this trial.